In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditions to your form to improve its functionality and responsiveness. This process will allow you to customize how your form behaves based on user inputs, making it more interactive and user-friendly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your form. Before we get started, ensure that you have all your necessary fields and information already set up in your form. This is crucial because the steps we're going to tackle revolve around tailoring the conditions for these existing elements. Once you have your form in front of you, the next step is to navigate to the Settings section. You should find this option typically located at the top menu or as part of a sidebar depending on the design layout of your form builder interface. Now, within the Settings menu, you're going to look for the Conditions option. This is the place where all the magic happens. Conditions give you control over how your form elements react and adapt to the input provided by users. Once you reach this section, click on it and you'll be presented with various condition types to choose from. To proceed with adding a new condition, you'll want to click on the option labeled Add a New Condition. This will prompt you to choose a type of condition, and here's where you can personalize your form to fit your exact needs. You'll see options such as Show Hide, which allows specific fields to appear or disappear based on previous answers. Another possible condition is Enable Require, which can set fields to be mandatory or optional depending on user inputs. Taking the time to carefully consider what conditions suit your form's purpose will make it far more effective and adaptable. After selecting the condition type that aligns with your goals, the next step is setting up the rules. This part can be likened to drawing a roadmap. It directs how answers from your respondents change the form's behavior. Rules are typically written in a straightforward if-then format. For example, if a user selects yes from a drop-down menu, then you can choose to initialize, showing certain additional questions that were previously hidden. Be meticulous during this step because well-defined rules are key to ensuring your conditions work seamlessly. Once you've set all the rules exactly as you want, the final action is to save your settings. This step is crucial, otherwise all the work you've put in might be lost if your session times out or you navigate away from the page. Look for a Save button, which is often prominently displayed to confirm your changes. By saving, you effectively activate your conditions, and your form is now ready to